what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get the daubing filter on TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. To get this effect you have to go here. This is the effects gallery. Okay, this filter is a trending one, so you can find it in the trending section. Just slide up. Okay, and remember this image. This is the filter. Tap on it and you got it. I don't have anyone here. Okay, let me turn the camera. So as you can see, everyone is having a mouth. Likewise. And suppose you are not getting the filter like this, then what you can do, you can go to discover and you can search for daubing filter. And here you will see video with this effect. Now tap on any video you want. Now at the bottom left corner of the screen you will see the effect icon. It's in yellow. Just tap there and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see the record button. Just tap there and from here also you can use this filter. Okay, and suppose still you are not finding the filter like this, then what you can do, you can visit this website also. So here in this website you will see the filter icon. Just tap on the filter icon and open it with TikTok and you'll be directed to the effect page again. Now from here tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen and that's it, you got the filter. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. See you in the next video.